Project YouTube 3000 is an experience that I am creating today in order to present my own path into YouTube. I have other channel where I've been developing skills of other people for other people in the gaming industry with a long career in programming and also in game dev. But at this time, I discovered that also there is one important element that you need in order to project yourself as an entrepreneur and as a person for the future, which is you have to present yourself. Overall, if you're working in the entertainment industry, I gotta tell you, if you are not presenting yourself, if you are not ready to show yourself in front of the camera, probably you are in the wrong industry. And today, when I'm about to get to 51 years old, I'm also following some recommendations that I will later exchange, share with you in this YouTube channel to show you why I think this could be a great opportunity for you, for me to learn while I'm teaching you, and for you to take maybe the next step in your life and saying, yeah, maybe I want to create my own YouTube channel. I'm trying to learn from the experience, from the errors, many errors that I did in order to have something brilliant, something that will help you catapult your future. So this is Tony Munoz. Welcome to this YouTube channel, and I want to invite you to subscribe and watch my next videos.